Assalamu alaikum class 4. Open your grammar book. Lesson number 2, adjectives. In lecture 14 we did adjectives definition in English B notebook. So I hope so you learned the definition very well. Now today we are doing book work. Open page number 10. As we know that words which tell us more about noun, for example person, place or things, are called adjectives. Number adjective can describe the number of nouns. Numbers can be adjectives like this. How many mice are there? There are 3 mice. 4 flowers, 4. 4 is adjective. And 2 because numbers describing the things. So describing words are called adjective. First boy, third drum. Number order, as we know that ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Let us understand. Okay, write the numbers in their order. 1, 2, 1 first, 2 second, 7 seventh, 10 10th. This is your HW. Write the numbers in their order. 1 to 10 according to this. Write 1 or first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 fourth. Note down these in your English B notebook. This is your HW on notebook. First, write lesson, the topic. After that, mention the page number and exercise. Let us understand, and then write the question and the number order. Okay, look at the next page. Page number 11. Okay. Underline the number adjectives in each. Draw a box around the nouns they describe. Underline the adjective and draw a box around the nouns. Okay. Copy the sentences in your notebook, but don't copy them in your notebook. Like this. There are 4 monkeys sitting on a tree. 4 monkeys. Okay. Monkey, noun, and 4 is describing word. So describing words are called adjective. Underline the adjective and draw a box around the noun. Monkeys are noun. Okay, next. Second. 5 green parrots sat on the window. Okay. 5 green parrots. Parrots, noun. Draw a box around parrots. 5 green. 5 is also an adjective and green is also an adjective. So it's up to you. We can underline the both, but in these sentences we just describing the numbers. So look, question, number adjective. So we underline 5 only. You will need 3 eggs. Eggs are noun. Draw a box and underline 3. Describing word. 2 cups. Underline 2. It is a describing word. Or cups. Draw a box around it. Of flour. And 1 teaspoon of lime juice. 1 is describing word. Teaspoon, draw a box. For the cake, there are 10 cars. 10 cars. Underline 10 and draw a box around cars. In the driveway. 5th one, there are 4 rooms in my house. Underline 4 and draw a box around room.